A flashing red light on your Rogers Ignite Wi-Fi gateway indicates a critical fault. This usually means your modem has lost its internet connection. Common causes include connectivity loss, which is no signal from Rogers, hardware issues such as overheating or component wear, service outages in your area, or configuration errors within the modem's software. As of November 2025, Rogers has significantly reduced these issues through firmware updates, but they still affect a small percentage of users, especially in areas undergoing fiber upgrades. Understanding the cause helps you choose the right troubleshooting steps. First, perform a simple power cycle. Unplug the modem for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This resolves many temporary glitches. Next, check connections. Ensure all coaxial cables are securely connected. If possible, test with a known good cable. Then, update your firmware. Use the My Rogers app or website to check for and install the latest firmware. As a last resort, try a factory reset. Hold the reset button on the modem for 30 seconds while it's powered on. Note, this will erase custom settings. If these steps don't work, contact Rogers Tech Support for further assistance or a possible modem replacement.